Meaning of gravestone.
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 Gravestone. A gravestone is a marker placed on or near a grave to identify the person buried there. It typically includes the name, birth and death dates, and possibly a brief inscription or epitaph. Gravestones can be made from a variety of materials such as stone, metal, or wood, and may feature religious or cultural symbols. They serve as a way for loved ones to remember and honor the deceased, and they also provide valuable historical information for researchers studying genealogy or local history. Overall, gravestones are an important aspect of burial customs and memorialization practices around the world.